So, hello students. Hope you all are doing well. So, from today, we will gonna just start our Java OOPS series. Okay, that is object oriented programming. Okay, so till now we had covered the basics of your whole Java. Okay, and we are trying to cover the each and every topic of your core Java. Okay. So first of all, I will recommend to you guys that before gone for your OOPS concept, you should know the basics of your Java. Okay, that will uh, uh, bring you to more easy to learn the OOPS concept. Okay, so from today, we will gonna start the oops series. Okay, and we will try to cover the each and every topic of your oops concept. Okay, and that will I think the more important for your any job interview. Okay, and yeah, your from your oops concept, definitely the question will gonna ask from you guys during your every interview. During your every interview, the question will definitely gonna ask from the oops. Okay, so from your placement point of view, it is a very important the topic, or you can say that the syllabus. Okay, so I will recommend to kindly take it seriously. Okay, because the concept of oops is a the very favorite topic for every interviewer. Okay, so let's continue our today lecture, and today we will just see the some basics concept of your oops. Okay, some basics concept, and what are the needs of oops. Okay, and why we should use the concept of oops. Okay, and what are the some basics features, and basic advantage of using your oops concept, we will see in today lecture. Okay, and from our next lecture, we will just start the cover the one by one all the the important topic of your oops concept. Okay, so let me share my whole screen once, then we will continue our today lecture. So oops concept using Java. Okay, oops concept using Java. So oops is stand for your object oriented programming. Okay, oops is stand for your object oriented programming, and the main aim of the using your oops concept is to i- i- implement the real world entities. Okay, real world entities means in your oops concept, we will deal with the real world entities, like every objects and classes, and the every your object are the real world entities. Okay, and some basics of feature, or you can say that the basic advantage of using your oops concept, that are your oops is a faster and easier to execute. Okay, although we will see it because in our next upcoming videos, and oops provide a clear structure and view for your program. Okay, so for the writing the code, if you are using the concept of your oops, then your code is gonna take a proper view and a proper clear structure format. Okay, so this is also the feature, or the advantage of using oops concept in your program. Okay, and oops help to keep a Java code dry, that is, do not repeat yourself, means if by using oops concept, let's say if you had created any methods, okay, if you had create any method, then whenever you need to perform that particular same operation, then you have to simply call that particular method, okay. You don't have to write same piece of code again and again and again. You just have to call that particular method, okay. So this kind of the functionality or the feature is provided by the oops, that is dry, do not repeat yourself, and it's make the code easier to maintain, modify, and debug, okay. Also, oops make it possible to create full reusable application, means uh, I just told you guys that you have to just call that particular method or function. This will also sound the same that kind of that is, oops make it possible to create a full reusable application with less code and short development times. Okay, see, mm, and basic the basic concept behind implementing your oops concept, that is, your oops is always deal within the objects and classes, okay. See, don't get panic from your objects and classes. The object are nothing but they are the instance of your class, okay. Instance means we will create the object from your class, okay, from your main class, okay. So the object are the instance of the class. See, uh, in our Java lecture, we are creating your object for the taking the input from the user, okay, and that is a scanner. SC is equal to new scanner, okay. So here your SC is the object of your the scanner class, okay. So here your SC is the object of your scanner class, okay. So that the object is the instance of the class, and when the in, individual object are created, they inherit the all the variable and method from the class, okay. And also, if you have to fetch the all the methods attribute of the class, then you just have to create the object of that particular class, okay. And by using that particular object, you can fetch the all the properties, attribute, and method of that particular class, okay. See, and the classes are the instance of the objects, okay. Classes are the instance of the object, okay. Although we will discuss about your object classes in more detail in our next next upcoming videos, okay. So for the till now, let's take a simple example, like, see, if your car is the class, let's take your car is a class, okay. Then the brand of your car, like mm, Volvo or the Toyota, Suzuki's, these are the object of your car classes, okay. These are the object of your car classes. So these are the concept of your object and classes. Although we will discuss about them in our next upcoming videos in more details, okay. And also there are four main pillars of your oops, okay. There are four main pillar of your also. uh this kind of question can be asked from you guys in your any the Java interview, like what are the main pillars of oops, then encapsulation, inheritance, Java abstraction, and polymorphism. These are the four main pillars of your oops, okay. Although we will discuss about one by one every these four pillars in our next videos. But till now, these are the four main pillar of your oops. Okay. So this is the basics concept of your OOPs, and in our next lecture, we will discuss about the objects and classes in details by using the basics example as well. Okay. So till then, keep learning, and also I will provide the link of my core Java series, and I will recommend you guys that kindly go through it because for learning your Java OOPS concept, you have to well aware about the fundamental of Java programming. Okay. So first of all, just learn those all videos. Then let's continue with the OOPS program. Okay. So uh, this is all about the today. So let's continue. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next videos. Okay. Bye bye.